Hello there. So today I shall be unboxing and reviewing the T7V from Adam Audio. So the T7V is from the T series launched by Adam Audio. So it's a two-way near-field studio monitor. So as the number 7 suggests, it has a 7-inch monitor and a classic U-art ribbon style tweeter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and now open up the box. And to be honest, I've opened up another box already, so I know the contents therein. So within the box, besides your monitors, you have the power cord and the quick start guide. Also, you have a small welcome note from Adam Audio congratulating you on your purchase. Also contains some details on how you can extend your warranty. I'll get to that later. So here's a look at the power cord which comes with the monitors. It's of a good quality. Okay, now let's get to the monitors. So the monitors look pretty sturdy and it weighs around 7 kilos. So the number 7 is again coincidental in this case. So I've left the dimensions of this monitor on the screen. As you can see, it has pretty sharp edges. So here's a quick look at the front panel of your monitor. Here's a woofer and here's a tweeter. It is 7-inch out here. And now let's just have a quick look at the rear panel. So here's your power input and your on-off button. And here you have your unbalanced and balanced inputs. So I've left the descriptions on the screen so you can understand better. So here you have your volume knob and your low frequency and high frequency switch. So this is pretty much the contents of the rear panel. And also, as you can notice, the bass reflex port of this monitor is on the rear side. This is for enhanced bass response. Let's try and plug in the power cord. Okay, so I'm going to be using the balanced input. So for that, I got this XLR to mono jack. You can get the same model on Amazon or any other website. You need to insert the 3-pole male end into the balanced input. So once you power on the monitors, you can see a green light indicating that the monitors come on. Now since we figured out how to switch on the monitors, I'm going to have a look at a quick start guide. So the T7V comes with a 2-year warranty and you can extend that warranty up to 3 years, so a total of 5 years. I think it's a really cool deal that Adam Audio is offering. So all you need to do is register your product with your serial number on their website. I also wanted to share with you the specifications of this monitor. So I've left these screenshots in this video. And if you want more details about this monitor, you can visit the link in the description below. Okay, so let's take these monitors for a test run now. As you can see, this is my audio interface. I'm using a Complete Audio 6. I'm going to use the mono plug of my XLR to mono cable. And I'm going to put it into my balanced input. And the XLR plug of my cable goes into the monitors. Also make sure that your input switch is set to the correct position as per your input. So in this case, I have a balanced input. Okay, so here's a first glance of what the monitor sounds like. So I'm playing a bass heavy track and the bass response feels very natural. And here is your bass reflex port doing its work well. So you gotta love these monitors because the sound response is pretty neutral and very accurate. Also, there's very less coloring of sound and the high ends of this monitor are absolutely fantastic. I hope you liked this short video, and if you did, please show some love.